Today is about the 22nd of May, so it's kind of late, but not for me. And I'm at the Home Depot picking out some annuals and flowers. I'm getting all the annuals for my pots and baskets that I'm going to display, the hanging baskets, and then I've got some big black pots on the porch as well. And I'm kind of just here looking around, seeing what they've got, seeing all the different varieties of flowers and stuff like that. I mean, look at these awesome baskets they've got going on here. The petunias I do love, and I saw some awesome dahlias over here. So I'm wanting to kind of get a lot of annuals this year. You've got the nice looking lawn, that's awesome, but the color from the annuals makes such a big difference. What have we got here? Oh my gosh, that thing's freaking awesome. Oh, look at that dahlia, that is beautiful. That's actually a pretty good price, this $4.98 price, considering I kind of have been buying tubers for that much or more online. I see the wave petunias. We're gonna get some marigolds.
I love that color. And so we need a white, if you want to find a white.
Lobelia's white.
Yeah, like the white lobelia. Let's go find that. And then we need some potato vine to kind of lighten it up a tad.
So there's these, those are kind of white.
These are geraniums, aren't they?
Yes.
So I have these, but I want the big ones.
So these things right here, these are some beautiful flowers here. I think these are the super petunias or whatever you call them. Get a few of those. These are really cool too, these Gerber daisies, but if you put these in a pot, oh, these are zinnias. So these right here, these are called lupins or lupines, whatever. When I've gone to Montana, these things grow wild all over the place. I tried these in my landscape and I didn't have any success with these. I think these are like a biannual or something. They only come back like every second year or something like that. And I also spent a couple years in Canada in the maritime provinces, and these things are everywhere. They are absolutely beautiful. I would love it if these things could kind of go in my landscape, but I have had a heck of a time trying to get these to go. These are called lupins, and they are flippin' awesome. Geraniums here. There's baskets here that just are ready to go. Creeping myrtle ground cover. It's actually not too bad looking. What do we got going on over here? Comes back every year. Easy care, low maintenance. Comes in a 6-pack. Those look like lilies or something like that. This is a pretty cool little basket here. This is just called the drop and decorate. Just take it out of the pot, or just drop this thing into a pot like that. Just put it down in there and you're good. Kind of hide the existing pot that it's already in. Drop and decorate is what they call that. See how freaking awesome that is? All that color, those yellows, those purples, those reds, those greens. That is awesome. And I cannot wait to get myself set up with some of that stuff. Good looking stuff. Nice arrangement, beautiful color. It's gonna get kind of bushy and big. Beautiful. Geraniums, always a winner with those. So here's some proven winners variety. This you've kind of seen a little bit of everywhere. I've been happy with the stuff that I bought from the proven winner brand. Lobelia, that's some good stuff. I love it. I think we've got some impatience here. Yeah, impatience. So if you got a shady spot, impatience are really good in the shade. All these different flowers make for an awesome environment in the landscape. I'm kind of thinking I'm just gonna go with these this year. Just get the baskets that are already planted up. A little bit more expensive, but it's done. I don't have to think about it, don't have to plan it, it's done. And they're already beautiful looking, and all I have to do is just water them and fertilize them. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 locations where I've got some baskets, and I want to get like 400 more baskets. Put them everywhere, folks. Don't kid yourself. They're gonna be awesome.
If you're ready for a lawn update with Dustin, stand up, raise your hand, and say, "Man!"
The Bermuda grass is struggling right now. It's way too cold. But guess what? Full sun's coming out. No clouds, 95 degrees. So I think we're gonna get some good grow in. I definitely put on my safety gloves because Connor was giving me lectures about Safety Sally instructions, and I definitely am the most compliant in this area. I wear these gloves right here for sunburns mainly. Remember the video that Connor was talking about Safety Sally? I looked it up, and Safety Sally wears these blue gloves. And so I immediately went down and got a whole box of these blue gloves. You wanna see? Right here. This is the box of blue gloves that I bought for safety. Let's just tear it open. Oh, never mind. This is extra seed. This is extra seed from my backyard. This bag is super durable. It's all right to just throw it around. I'm gonna get a seeder, slit seeder. I'm gonna seed this again. And by the end of the summer, you're gonna be able to watch me mow this with my triplex in 20 minutes for just pure pleasure, for everybody's viewing pleasure. What's nice is these new Safety Sally gloves that I bought. They match this sticker really nice, and my favorite colors are yellow and blue. I'm really satisfied with my choice of grass, except for it's not growing. There's really no update except for it's not growing. But guess what? In 2 weeks, it's gonna be nice and green. And I do have a triplex. It's a trim mower. It's a John Deere 2653, and I'm super excited about it. You know, these rubber gloves are pretty hot. We do have some good spots. It's gonna look like this everywhere. I don't wanna hear nothing from you guys saying I'm not a real grass guy. I don't wanna hear that.